In this video, I'll show you how to control volume from keyboard windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Minimize this, right? Click on your start bar. Right from your start bar, type in SDDVOL, right? So this is going to come out. This is the run command for voice, right? So click on the open. Once it has opened up, you're going to see these things yourself, right? So you can see these things yourself. So right here you can see there is a whole lot of, I think this is the speaker, this is the system sound, this is the microphone, right? These all of them, and all of them are currently in the highest level, right? So for a very good sound experience, all of them were tuned on to the highest levels, right? So if you love to control your volume from your, like with your keyboard on your Windows, your PC or laptop, you're going to just select the one you want to use, right? So let's say we want to select the system sounds, right here. I'll just use my cursor. I'll click on it, right? Now from your cursor you can see there are 4 arrow direction keyboards, right? So you can use this to reduce it, right? Particularly, so you can see I can reduce this, I can increase it, right? So I'm doing this with my keyboard, I'm not touching my mouse, right? So it's very easy. You can do this with, I think, the rest of them. So this is it basically. If you found this video helpful, share this video in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.